What's good, guys? Roku had really good earnings today, up over 30%, and we finally broke through this massive resistance level that we've been watching for a while. Once we broke through this level, we have what's called a change of character, meaning that now the structure of this downward trend is starting to reverse. You can see that we had amazing earnings, this gap, and a solid run, and there is a chance that we actually pull back down to the fair value gap of about $68.43, which in theory would be your best time to enter. Now, in this case, what I think is more realistically going to happen is that we're probably going to see this gap and then this continued run. Number one, I think that big money knows that the overall massive tech companies are a little bit overextended, but I do think that they know a lot of these companies like Roku, Palantir, Shopify, Square, a lot of these smaller tech companies that are down 70, 80, 90%, they know they're undervalued and they're buying them up very quickly, especially with how great earnings have been for some of these companies and also how solid their guidance have been for a lot of these companies. So looking at Roku, as long as we're able to hold up over here, it's looking like we should probably see this continued run up to about $84 or $86. In order for me to enter a position on this, what I really want to see first is going to be a potential pullback down to at least $74, maybe $75. What I really want is at least a 0.75 RVR. So from here up to that level and then down to our stop loss would give me a 1-to-1 risk versus reward. So for me, I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be hopefully looking for the pullback and entering Roku to the upside.